You must speak out. Okay. What is the first process? Haricharan?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the first process? In the previous class, non-flow
Constant.
processes I have discussed now. 5
Yes,
types
ma'am.
of non-flow processes are there, correct? In that, what is the first process?
Constant pressure process.
Constant pressure process. And what is the formula for work done in constant pressure process?
Yesterday absent, ma'am.
You can see the screen here. So, constant pressure process. You know work done, what is work done? So, what is the work done formula? dW upon dash integration from 1 to 2. So, this you can write it as pressure into dV. Okay, starting from V1 to V2. How we have
V2.
got this formula? PdV. So, in the previous class, so this one you can see how we have got this formula. PdV we have got for the work done from 1 to 2. So, what is work done actually? Force into displacement, correct now? What is work done? Force into displacement. So, here you can replace force by, let us say pressure is equal to force by area. So, I have written force as pressure into area. Pressure into area here. And again you can write it as area into displacement. That means area into thickness, you can write it as dV. Now understood now how you have got this PdV for work done? Okay, Haricharan, got it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is only for closed
Okay, ma'am.
system. Closed system. Whenever I will ask this work done formula, you can say PdV as the work done. Okay, where P is pressure, dV is the change in volume. Okay, so constant pressure means you can take out this pressure out of integral, and dV you can write it as V2 minus V1. So I guess everyone is clear with this formula, constant pressure, right? Next, Bharadwaj, are you there, Bharadwaj?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is the second process, ma? After constant pressure process,
Constant volume process.
constant
Constant
volume process.
volume process.
Correct. So what is the work done for constant volume process?
ఎంత ma'am?
You see on the screen.
Same ma'am.
You just
Yes, ma'am.
recollect. What is the work done for constant volume
Ma'am?
process? Here.
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Zero.
constant volume is dV is 0. Why dV is 0? There is no change in volume. That's why we can take dV means change in volume. Change in volume is 0. If this is 0, then integral will be 0. Got it?
Ma'am?
అర్థం కాలేదా?
మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్పండి.
Okay. Suppose this is the formula. We know work done is equal to PdV. Correct now? Constant
Yes, ma'am.
volume. Constant volume.
Volume.
Constant volume process means, let us calculate dV. What is dV? V2 minus V1. Correct?
V1.
V2 minus
Yes, ma'am.
V1. If V2
V1
is
ma'am.
If V2 is same as V1, this can be
Yes,
0,
ma'am.
no?
అంతే మ్యామ్.
If this is 0, this integral will be 0, no?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
So that means constant volume process work done will be 0.
0.
Okay? And
Yes, ma'am.
constant pressure process means, what is constant pressure? Constant pressure means pressure is constant. In this integral, pressure
Yes,
is
ma'am.
constant. You you do one thing, take the pressure term out of integral. What is integration of dV? What is integration of dV?
అదే సేమ్ గా మ్యామ్.
Same.
స్క్రీన్ మీద ఉన్నది P
Yes,
V2
PV,
మైనస్
correct. Integration limits are V1 to V2.
V1
After putting limits, you will get P into V2 minus V1.
P is equal to V2 minus V1.
Okay, so this is P into V2
Yes, ma'am.
minus V1. This is the this is a work done
Constant pressure process.
constant pressure process. Okay, next Bimesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Bimesh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you were there in the last class.
No, ma'am. Actually,
Now you understood now what is constant pressure process, what is constant
yeah, ma'am.
volume process. Okay, next we'll go for isothermal
Okay.
process. So isothermal means, what is isothermal? Constant temperature. Here you can see constant temperature. Constant temperature means temperature is constant. Another name is isothermal. Okay, isothermal. You know Boyle's law. What is Boyle's law? PV is equal to constant. You know this, correct? PV is equal to constant. You know, na Bimesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so suppose I want to write for starting at one point, first point. I can write, can I write P1 V1 is equal to constant? I can write.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I want to write for second process, second point, and that means final point. Can I write like this? P2 V2 is equal to C.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now I can combine all these three. Okay, after combining, PV is equal to P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Can I write like this? Combining all the three.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I have combined
ma'am.
all the three. So what is the formula here? PV is equal to P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. So, but I want to integrate this integral. What is there in that integral? P into dV, correct? P into dV is there. So we want P in terms of some constants. Where is the P? Here is the P, correct? So you just write P is equal to P1 V1 by, what I can write? P1 V1 by, Vimesh, what I can write? P is equal to P1 V1 by
V.
P, correct. So you replace P by P1 V1 by V. Where I have to put, in this integral P is there now? In place
Yes,
of
ma'am.
P, you just put this value. Okay. After putting, what happens here? I will get the integral as integration of P1 V1 by V into dV. Correct? Am I correct? P1 V1 by
Yes, ma'am.
V into V. So what are the terms
Yes,
here?
ma'am.
Constant terms. What are the constant terms here? P1 is constant. Correct? V1 also constant. So we can pull the constant terms out of the integral. Correct?
P1 V1 integral 1 by V dV.
dV by V. Can I write like this?
Yes.
What are the limits?
Yes,
V1?
ma'am. P V1 V2
Right. What is the integral of dV by V? 1 by V dV?
log V.
Log V. Log V
Log
means
V.
log natural logarithm base 10. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
finally I will get P1 V1 ln V. What are the limits? V1.
V1 minus
Okay.
V2.
So
Yes,
after
ma'am.
that, what happens?
P1 V1 ln V1 minus ln V2.
Right. P1 V1 ln V2 minus ln V1. So what is log A minus log B? Log A minus log B?
Log A by V.
Log A by B. So finally what we got?
Log V2 by V1. P1 V1 into
ln
log.
V2 by V1, correct? So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is the
Yes, ma'am.
final equation for work done in isothermal process. So you can check here what is the, you can check here what is the formula finally, this, not this one, this one, P1 V1 ln V2 by V1. You have all remember this equation, P1 V1 ln V2 by V1. So this is the equation for
Yes,
work
ma'am.
done for a constant temperature process. So you can change this equation as P1 V1 ln V2 by V1. So you can replace this term as P P1 P1 by P2. How did I write this? In place of V2 by V1, I have written P1 by P2. How did I get this? Imesh, how did I write this?
Ma'am.
In place of V2 by V1, I have written P1 by P2. How? Do you remember P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2?
Yes, ma'am.
So from that, V2 by V1 is equal, you will get P1 by P2.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? So this,
Okay, okay.
got it now? This one clear? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So next we'll go for constant polytropic process. Polytropic process means in term, here you will get an index, polytropic index n. P is equal to constant, you just add n here. Okay? So next, Chandu 364. Chandu, are you there, ma? Chandu? Okay. Hanumu?
Present, madam.
Okay. What is polytropic process? What is the governing equation for polytropic process? You just tell me this one. What is the governing equation for polytropic process? Yesterday you were there?
Madam, I joined the late. Madam, I joined late class, madam.
Okay, okay. So you know what is the governing equation for isothermal process? What is the governing equation for isothermal process? You know this or not? Okay. PV is equal to constant. Just now I have discussed PV is equal to constant. This one clear? PV is equal to constant. Okay, now? Getting my point. Anu? Anu? The signal problem is there. Lokesh? Lokesh? Are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You were present now? Yesterday class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the governing equation for isothermal process? Remember? Today you are present now. From the first, from 10 o'clock onwards. So we have discussed this one, PV is equal to constant. What is this? Isothermal process, correct now? Lokesh?
PV is equals to C.
PV is equal to constant. This is the governing equation for isothermal process. Now clear? Okay. Next, what is the governing equation for polytropic process? You put n here. Okay. Is equal to constant. So this will be the governing equation for polytropic process. Now you just tell me what is the governing equation for isothermal process? Lokesh?
What, ma'am?
What is the governing equation for isothermal process? The above equation, first equation, what is that? PV is equal to constant. That only. So what is the governing equation for isothermal process? Lokesh,
Yes, hello, ma'am.
okay, you're getting confused now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, don't worry. So this equation,
P,
isothermal means constant temperature process. You remember what is isothermal? Constant temperature process. What is the governing equation for constant temperature process? P into V is equal to constant. Okay, got it?
okay, ma'am.
What is governing
Okay, ma'am.
equation for isothermal process? Now you tell me.
PV is equals to
PV is equal to constant.
C,
Okay.
constant is
What is the governing equation for polytropic process? P into V power
PV and power
n is equal to constant. Okay,
P into V power N is
constant.
constant.
So earlier I have derived work done for constant temperature process. Now I will derive work done for polytropic process. Same thing, but the only difference is in place of P, we are writing P1 V1 power n by V power n. Okay, this I will substitute in place of P. Where did I get this P1 V1 power n by V power n? Lokesh, where did I
Yes,
get
ma'am.
this equation? This one? Idea? Any idea?
No, ma'am.
Here. So let us say PV power n is equal to constant. This is the governing equation, correct now? So if I want to write for state 1, first initial point I want to write, that is 1. So how can I write P1 V1 power n is equal to constant? Can I write like this? Lokesh? Lokesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if I want to write for final state, that is 2 point, I will write like this. P2 V2
V2
power n
V2
is
and
equal to constant. Okay.
yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Next, I want to add all these 3. That means you equalize all the 3 terms. Okay. Equalize means
Okay.
P V power n is equal to P1 V1 power n is equal to
V1
P2 V2 power n.
V2
Correct?
power.
So you just take
Yes,
this
ma'am.
you just take the value of P from this equation. Okay. From this equation,
Oh,
how can I write P in terms of constant terms? How can I write in this equation?
yeah.
P is equal to,
And this
what are the terms
P
on the other side? P1 V1 power n
V1 and power N.
by what is in the denominator?
V, V2 V2
V power
power N.
n. So this is the term I
V
have
power
written.
N.
Okay. Got
Okay.
it now? So now
Yes,
what
ma'am.
you do? You just place this value in the place of P. Where is the P? This one. This term I have
Oh,
got. Okay. So
yes, ma'am.
I am replacing this P by this value. So what I got?
Uh,
P1 V1 power n by V power n into PV.
yes.
So what are the terms remaining? So just take out constant terms. So these are the constant terms. Integral of dV by V power n. What is integral of V power n? What is the integral of 1 by V power n?
V,
This you have to know. What is the integral of dV by V power n? Lokesh? Forgot? Huh?
what, ma'am? Again ask. Again ask.
Here. What is the integral of dV by V power n?
dV by V power N is equal to C. Constant.
integral of b power n dv. How can you write integral of b power n with dv?
V power n integral of dv by d.
I guess everyone has doubt in this integral term. Correct? So I will discuss this. Okay? Let us see what is the integral of x power n dx. What is the integral? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. This you know all. All you know na? This equation integration of the x power n dx. This you remember? Lokesh? This you
One second.
remember? Okay.
Yes,
So
Next
here
one.
what happened?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Here
ma'am.
what I got dv by v power n. This is there. You can I write v power minus n dv? Can I write?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
What is
ma'am.
there in place of n? Minus n.
Minus minus
What is there in place of x? V.
b.
Okay. So finally I can write v power minus n plus 1 by minus n plus 1.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the same thing I have written. This one. You can see. Okay. Now you got this one. How did I write?
Yes, ma'am.
This one.
V
V
power
power minus n plus 1 by minus n plus 1.
v. Yes.
Okay. You just substitute final value, initial value. Okay.
Mm.
What happens then? So V2 minus n plus 1, V1 minus n plus 1. Only
Yes,
the
ma'am.
terms are interchanged. Okay. So you take this V1 power n into the inside the brackets. After multiplication, you will get final this equation. You have to do at your home after this class. Otherwise, you will not get it. You have to put your pen on the notebook and derive this equation. Okay, Lokesh, you will do now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you just
Yes, ma'am.
remember this equation, only this equation for the polytropic process. P1 V1 minus P2 V2 by
V2 V2 by
n
n
minus
minus
1.
1.
What is P1? Initial pressure. What is V1?
In
Initial volume. What is P2?
initial one.
P2 final pressure. What is V2? Final volume. What is N?
One.
What is N
One.
here? Polytropic index. What is N?
Polytropic index.
Index. If the uh, system is taking from state 1 to state 2, then you can take this equation. Okay. To calculate only for work done. This is the formula for work done. Okay now? Lokesh, got it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Pranita, are you there, ma? Pranita?
Yes.
Okay, you all understood now? Pranita, you understood this one? What is constant pressure process? Constant volume process? Any doubt in this?
Yes, ma'am.
Pranita?
No, no, ma'am.
Okay, you understood what is how I have derived work done for constant temperature process and constant and polytropic process.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next comes to adiabatic process. So what is adiabatic process? Here you replace n by gamma. Correct? I am replacing n by gamma. So here I will write the equation for work done. What is the work done for adiabatic process? Do you remember, Pranita?
No, ma'am.
No? So do you know what is the work done for polytropic process? This one, na? P1 V1 minus P2 V2 by n minus 1. This is clear. Is this clear? What is the work done for polytropic process? Okay, Pranita?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you just replace n by gamma. Okay, you replace n by gamma, then you will get work done for adiabatic process. Now clear? Now clear now? So how can I write
Yes,
work done for adiabatic process? P1, say along with me, P1 V1 minus
By
P2 V2 by gamma minus 1. So this is the work done for adiabatic process. Okay, what is adiabatic process? I will explain later. Okay, now only calculation part you remember. Okay, got it,
okay.
Pranita?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, good. Next. Rohit, are you there?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Okay, now you tell me what are the processes, 5 processes in a for a closed system. Five are there now. So what are the names?
madam.
What are the names? You just tell me the names.
Constant pressure, madam. Constant volume.
Constant water
Constant
process,
temperature.
constant temperature process, correct.
Polytropic and adiabatic.
Polytropic process and
And
adiabatic process.
adiabatic.
Adiabatic process. Good. So now we will discuss 2 problems. Okay. So all of you, what you do, rejoin the class. Okay, rejoin the class at 10:40. Not 10:40, 10:35. You rejoin. Okay, na? Because I want to discuss problems without break. Everyone, clear na? This one point. You, I will take attendance only after discussing problems. Nobody should miss this class. Okay, problems are very important. You need to know how to apply these equations to solve the problems. Only 2 problems I will discuss. Okay, for that I need only half an hour. Up to 11 I will take. Okay, so I will please rejoin at 10:35. 18 participants are there. Everyone should there after 10:35. Okay,
Okay, madam. Okay, madam.
very good.